Hi guys, in this video I will explain you what to do if you are working with an instrument in the doctor's tray and another instrument is working at the same time, even in rest. You have to do the following steps to find where is the problem. In this case, if we are working with the scaler, you need to control the regulation of the screw here, because this part of the cordon holder needs to make contact with the piston here. You need to check here inside of the doctor's tray the activation. With this screw, you can regulate also the activation here. This piston, we need to put it on more upper. The piston of the activation here need to make contact with all the system of the cordon holder. So that's why you need to put in the activation a little bit upper and not down, because if the activation is a little bit down here, will not make contact with this part. The instrument remains activated. And you need to control this with all the activations where you are having the problem. If the problem is not solved with the previously steps, we need to check these hexagonal valves here. Probably the membrane is damaged, so you need to replace it. Or maybe the problem can be also the metal separator here, because inside there is also a membrane. The last one step that I can recommend you to do is to control also the activation of the scaler, because here also works with a membrane, so you need to check it up. The problem can be also the electrical part of the activation. In these cases, you need to replace the activation of the scaler.